In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Pokemon Go game app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, so if you are facing any challenge while trying to install this app, just first go to your Google Play Store app and open it. And here make sure you are logged in with your Gmail before you install the app. If you are already logged in but unable, just tap on your profile icon and go down to settings. From settings, look for this option, network preferences, and if you tap on it, look for app download preference. Tap on this and change this from over Wi-Fi only to over any network. This will ensure you can download apps via the current network you are connected to. To save the changes, tap on OK and proceed. Search for your app through Google Play Store to download your app. However, if you still can't at this point, then the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself, and for that we need to troubleshoot it. For that we need to access Google Play Store app info page through settings. So I'll go to settings and then go to apps, and from apps look for all apps or manage apps, and this will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. From this, just search for Google Play Store and you can see here it is. If you tap on it, you'll be taken to Google Play Store app info page. First, go to force stop and then go to clear data and then clear cache and finally confirm by tapping on OK. At this point, you will need to restart your smartphone and then go to Google Play Store and activate search. Then search for your app. So I have here Pokemon Go. If I tap on it, now let's try and install and see if the problem has been fixed. And now look at that. I'm now able to download and install Pokemon Go game app. However, at this point, if you still can't download this game app, then you need to check if you have enough space. If you don't, free up space by deleting unnecessary apps as well as files from your smartphone that you no longer need. So that's how you can fix can't install Pokemon Go game app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.